So now I got me drill jig all set up. I got like a big clamp down the bottom there and an aluminium bar, square bar there, clamped on it to it there, and then on there just to support the drill jig there. Then I've got a clamp on here with like a socket behind it to squash it there, so it's nice and flat and square. And then I've got another bolt hole I put there, so that way the drill will be nice and square, and you can see that you can't go wrong and it just slides. And it's just a matter of putting the drill bits in and drilling the holes.